Imagine losing your phone for just 5 minutes. Now imagine your photos, passwords, and bank accounts. All gone. One tap, one mistake, and a hacker owns your life. But what if I told you? You can stop 90% of mobile hacks with 8 simple moves. Let's lock your phone like Fort Knox. Welcome to Cyber Defense, your digital shield. Tip 1. Lock it like you mean. It's still using a 1234 or your birthday. You're making a hacker's job too easy. Use a 6-digit PIN or better, fingerprint or face unlock, and here's a secret. Turn off lock screen previews. No one should read your messages without unlocking your phone. Tip 2. Updates aren't just bug fixes. Skipping updates? That's like ignoring a hole in your front door. Updates patch the exact weaknesses hackers look for. Set them to auto-download over Wi-Fi, so you're always protected silently. Tip 3. Never trust unknown. Apps. Free apps from random websites are a hacker's gift box. Only use the Play Store or App Store. And here's what most people don't do. After you install, check what your apps are secretly doing using tools like AppBrain or Exodus Privacy. Tip 4. Deny creepy permissions. Why does your calculator need access to your mic? That's a trap. Go to Settings, Privacy, Permissions, and take back control. Revoke camera, mic, and location access for apps that don't need it. This alone blocks most spyware. Tip 5. Public Wi-Fi is a trap-free Wi-Fi, more like free data for hackers. They can clone the cafe network and intercept everything. If you must connect, use a VPN. Or better, turn on private DNS mode, a hidden setting most people never touch. Tip 6. Auto login, auto disaster. If your phone's stolen, auto login gives full access to your bank, email, everything. Turn it off for sensitive apps. Always use 2-factor authentication, preferably with an authenticator app, not just SMS codes. Tip 7. Enable tracking. Before it's too late. Find My iPhone or Find My Device can save your phone if they're turned on before it's lost. And don't miss this. Enable Send Last Location, so your phone pings its location even if the battery dies. Tip 8. Clean up your digital mess. Old screenshots, texts, documents, all that junk is a goldmine for hackers. Back up what matters. Delete what doesn't. Set messages to auto-delete after 30 days and clear your downloads weekly.